Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Destiny 2 game. If you've accidentally blocked a friend or want to play with someone again, you can easily unblock them through the in-game social menu. First of all, launch open the Destiny 2 application on your device and log in. From the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Account Settings. On the next page, tap on Blocked Users, and then you'll be able to see the list of contacts that you've blocked on Destiny 2. Select the contact you want to unblock and then click on the Unblock button in the pop-up. This will now unblock the player, and now they can send you invites, messages, or join into your fire team. So that is how you easily unblock someone on Destiny 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.